Good afternoon, people. My name is Mwatima Juma. I'm the director of Msonge Organic Farm. This is where the food from the farm is coming to the table. This is where the real food, the Zanzibari food, you could taste it.
Feel free to anything. So we're gonna have the main course right now. You can serve yourself, that's totally okay. It's a bush restaurant, as I said.
Today we are very happy that we are going to be at the Zanzibar Tourism and Investment Show. If you want to taste the food, come there, but we will tell you that you'll be surprised. Welcome all. Don't miss the Zanzibar Tourism Investment Show.